Your LLC name needs to be unique in the state of Florida. That means no other active businesses registered in Florida can have the same name or something too similar to it. If you submit a name that's already taken or one that's too close to an existing one, your filing can be rejected, and that $125 state fee is non-refundable. So it's worth checking on this before you do anything else. Florida also has a few naming rules that you need to follow. The most important one is that your name has to end with an approved designator. That means you need to include limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC at the end of your name. Most people go with LLC, and that's perfectly fine. You'll also want to avoid words that suggest your business is a government agency or a financial institution. Things like agency, commission, bureau, bank, or trust. If you include restricted words like these, your filing can be rejected. Once you have a name in mind, you need to check that it's actually available. In Florida, you can do this through the Florida Division of Corporations website. The official tool is called Sunbiz, and I'll put the link in the description. It's completely free to use, and you don't need to create an account. Just type in your desired name into the search and check that nothing comes up that's the same or too similar. If you see a close match, you'll want to pick a different name before moving forward. While you're at it, do a quick brand check. Search for your business as a domain name, and check the major social media platforms too. It's fine if the exact match isn't available everywhere. You can usually add a small variation to the social handles, but you want to make sure that the name works for your brand before you lock it in. Finally, do a quick trademark search. You can do that on the USPTO, or the United States Patent and Trademark Office database, and search your name there. You don't need a trademark to form an LLC, but if someone else has already trademarked a similar name, you could run into legal issues down the road. I'll link that USPTO search tool in the description. It only takes a few minutes, and it's worth doing before you commit to a name. If you've only followed along so far, and now you're ready to get started, remember to use the link in the description to get the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent.